Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to the channel. I'm EDC Gunner, and today I have a opportunity to show you this two-tone 40 mil Rolex Submariner 116613, and it's beautiful. I was never a two-tone guy. Then I saw a bluesy, the 16613, and this is a ceramic one and the ceramic bluesy, but I never really considered this watch to be something special, but when in fact it is really something special. This is like the overlooked Submariner. Everyone's talking about the ceramic Starbucks bluesies or the black ones. However, this one, I think this is underrated. It's so underrated, and it's very subdued on the wrist. I always liked yellow and black, gold and black colors and combinations, but this one, seeing this one in perfect in flash, it's amazing. And this is just a normal Submariner. It does not need no introduction to Rolex fans. 30 31 35 movement. It has sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel, beautiful bezel action. This is a proper luxury dialing watch that has inspired so many homage watches. Sorry, I need to fix this. That has inspired so many homage watches that it's not even funny. However, I think the black reference, this one, two-tone black sub, it's really stands out and it pops. The bluesy is too much attention-seeking watch, and I love the bluesy. However, it screams on your wrist, "Hey, look at me, look at me." Whereas this one is telling you, I'm not your ordinary Submariner, but I'm classy. So I never thought for a two-tone watch I will ever say it's a classy one, especially Rolex. However, this one truly gives out that vibe that you are one classy fucker wearing this one, and it's just beautiful watch. I can look at it and it looks so much nicer and better than the regular black sub, and this one is great, but it's too plain, too ordinary. So if you want something that stands out, that pops, I think this is yours watch, and do not overlook it. I know the bluesy is creams. Bluesy is beautiful, the blue dial version, this one, but this one, I don't know, guys. Who am I to talk to? I don't know, guys. I just like it. I like it very much. 40 mils. I like it. I like this watch just much, and it impressed me a lot. And I'm not the type of a reviewer who's gonna measure every little single speck of this watch. I'm not gonna do it because it's been done. You can Google it whenever you want, but I just want to give you my impression of the watch. Black and gold, a little bit of a hint of yellow makes this watch pop, but in a classy way. So if you have never considered of getting a two-tone black Submariner, I think you should consider it, or at least try it on. Or if you get offered, you want black Submariner, you really want the black or rosy, do not overlook this one. It's just beautiful watch, and I wouldn't mind having this one any day of the week. It's just gorgeous.